I mean, I do hope in one fight we get the full Orby weapon snapped in two.
I'll try my best.
Yeah.
Orby snap.
Orby snap. I haven't built the carrot yet.
No.
Well, 1 point. At some point. Probably not
You've
this
got to
year.
balance that.
I can balance anything, apart from my mental health. If you get a wheel hit, I think that's going to be fun.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Oh!
Didn't need those bits anyway.
I don't want to hit you with the back.
Well, I think Thumper might be getting that first place suddenly.
We've certainly got the most destructive fighting center.
Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't do that.
Well, we're only a minute in as well.
Stop it!
There it goes!
Oh!
You can do it.
You know your life, Sam. Okay, that's a shattered pin.
Ah! He's going!
Oh, that is so jank. Oh!
GG.
Style points.
What a fight.
Style
Very
points.
nice. Very nice. That was a hell of a fight.
Can you look at the shattered pin on Thumper at the
Oh my god.
Oh, man.
That's gnarly.
Fucking
There's some of it over there as well.
That was incredible.
Yeah.
That was
you
incredible.
can fix Thumper this time.
Oh.
In fact, is that his last fight?
No, it's not what. No, it is actually his last fight.
Oh, thank God for that. We can send it back to Tom.